there, artists! This is Jensen Collins, a children's book illustrator out in Montana.
And I'm Chip.
And today we're going to draw a dog. Alright, to draw our winter dog, we're going to start with the color black and the marker tool. And we're going to start by drawing a straight line forward that comes back on itself like this. Next, I'm going to draw a large teardrop shape. It's going to start where that top line is, come down, come right back up to that top line. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come out a little bit from this ear. I'm going to draw a line that curves down like this. I'm going to go straight across. I'm going to draw another kind of like a C shape down. This C shape is going to come up and back to our original. This is going to end up being the face. Okay. I'm going to take my eraser tool and I'm going to erase where this line touches this teardrop shape. Just a little bit, like that. Next, we're going to draw a curved tail. It's kind of a triangle, so we're going to do a curved shape. And then from the tip of that, we're going to put our pencil back on it and bring it all the way back to our dog.
And it's okay if you mess up because you can just redo it.
All right. Next, we're going to do this. We're going to put an eye right here. So we're going to use an upside down C shape. We're going to put another little C shape above it. We're going to do C shape in the other direction over here. Like that. On the end of this original shape, we're going to come up here and we're going to draw a circle. And then on the body, I'm going to draw a big circle and a little circle. Now I'm going to take a minute and I'm going to look at the outlines of my drawing and just make sure they're all closed up. I have one right here that is open, so I'm going to close it real quick because I would like to use the paint bucket tool to fill in some spots. I'm going to fill in the tail, our little spot, our big spot, our nose, and our ear. Next, I'm going to take this red and our marker tool, and I'm going to draw this dog a hat. So I'm going to go to the top of the ear and make a curved line across what would be their forehead. I'm going to go make a straight line up from here, up from here. And then I'm going to connect those two with another kind of curving line. So we make a little bit of a squished rectangle like that. Next, I'm going to come in just a bit from the corner. I'm going to put my marker down and I'm going to do a big curve shape like this. This side, I'm going to come up with a little curve. I'm going to take the point of this and curve all the way back like this. Next, on the end of my hat, I'm just going to draw a circle. I'm going to go through and make sure that all of my lines are closed. I have a little opening right there. So I'm going to close it. I'm going to go to the color picker and I'm going to pick a color that's 2 shades lighter. I'm going to choose this one. I want to use the paint bucket tool to fill in this part of the hat and this part of the hat. Now, you can use it to fill in these parts of the hat as well. Okay, just use the back button. Perfect. If If you have any little spots, right there I have one, we can switch over to the marker tool and just color those in by hand. I'm going to go to the color picker and choose the color white. Then I'm going to choose the pencil tool. It's right here. Now, the shape I'm going to use on this is kind of a loop-de-loop. So we're going to put our pencil down, go up, make a loop, come back, make another loop. Do that all the way across the bottom of the cap.
Loop-de-loops are my specialty.
Now, on the ball of the hat, we're going to do something similar. We're going to use kind of like a flower petal shape. So we're going to make a little teardrop into the middle, make another one, and just go all the way around. Like that. And he's already looking really awesome. Next, I'm going to go to the backgrounds, and I'm going to scroll down. I want to use this blue paper for our background. You'll notice that the background goes anywhere that you haven't put color already, and it's turned our dog blue. I'm going to grab the paint bucket tool and the color white and just fill in his body. Like that. Next, I want to add just a little bit more to our background, so I'm going to keep the white color, and I'm going to go grab the crayon tool, and I'm just going to draw a line across the bottom. It can be wiggly, it can be straight. All we really needed to do is touch the feet of our dog. And we're going to color it in.
And it's okay if it comes over your feet.
Mm-hmm. Now that we have some snow, we're going to add some snowflakes. I'm going to switch over to the pencil tool. And the way I'm going to make my snowflake is I'm going to make a big X. I'm going to make my pencil just a bit bigger. We're going to make a big X. I'm going to draw a line through the middle. And then in each of these lines that come out, we're going to make 2 lines that make an arrow to the middle of that snowflake. Just like that. I'm going to add some more snowflakes in. Next, I'm going to make my pencil tool a bit bigger, and I'm just going to add some little dots in. Just some more snowflakes. And there you have it, a winter dog.